You can make any day feel more fabulous with my chocolate-dipped strawberry Greek yogurt popsicles that are high in style and nutrition. I'm excited to share how you can make and decorate these statement popsicles with a few simple ingredients and techniques. In a blender, food processor, or NutriBullet, add 2/3 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons cashew butter, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2/3 of a cup of strawberries. Mix until well blended. Pour into your popsicle mold, insert your sticks, and freeze until solid. Melt down 1/2 cup of your favorite chocolate chips with a teaspoon of coconut oil. Melt in 20-second intervals in the microwave and then dip your popsicles. Quickly add your sprinkles before the chocolate hardens. Store in the freezer and enjoy. Crunchy. That is so good. I just get that creamy strawberry yogurt that tastes like ice cream and is just perfectly sweetened with the honey as well as the fresh strawberries. The full recipe and video is available at gentletummy.com.